60% of small businesses that suffer major data loss shut down within 6 months. Not because they were hacked by sophisticated criminals, but because nobody set up a proper backup. If you manage IT for a small business, or you're studying too, this video will show you exactly how to build a backup strategy that actually works. We are covering the 3-2-1 rule. Storage options that make sense on a South African budget. Automation. And the mistakes that will get you fired. Let's get into it. South Africa is one of the most targeted countries on the continent for ransomware attacks. And the number one reason businesses lose data permanently is not the attack itself. It is the absence of a working backup. Here is the problem. Most small businesses either have no backup plan at all, or they have something set up that nobody has tested. An untested backup is not a backup. It is a false sense of security. Data loss happens in 4 main ways. Hardware failure. Drives die. Human error. Someone deletes the wrong folder. Ransomware. Your files get encrypted and held hostage. And physical disaster. Fire. Flood. Power surge. Your backup strategy needs to protect against all 4. One external hard drive plugged into a server does not cut it. If the office burns down, that drive burns with it. If ransomware hits the server, it will encrypt connected drives too. This is why we use a framework. And that framework is called the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies of your data. 2 different storage types. 1 copy stored off-site. This is not just best practice for any business handling client data. It is the minimum standard you should be recommending. Let's walk through how to actually implement this. Step 1. Identify what needs to be backed up. Not everything on a server needs equal protection. Start by auditing. Ask these questions. What data would stop the business from operating if it disappeared? Where is it stored? How often does it change? Common targets are financial records, client databases, email archives, active project files, and system configuration files. Document this. Our Gumroad Backup Audit Checklist walks you through exactly this process. Link is in the description. Step 2. Set up your local backup. Your first copy lives on a local NAS device or a dedicated backup server. NAS, network attached storage, is a small device that sits on your network and stores files. Synology and QNAP are popular, affordable options. For software, Windows Server Backup is built-in and free. For more control, Veeam Community Edition is free up.